Australia. Today is Wednesday, the 26th of August 2020. We're going to be starting off with the Usd Jpy Technical Analysis. By the way, my name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne. The US dollar inched higher against Japanese yen on Wednesday, increasing the price of Usd Jpy to more than 106 ahead of the US gross domestic product annualized news. The technical bias remains bearish because the price of the pair printed a lower high in the recent upside move.
Now, the pair is currently being traded around the 106.38 level, with a few resistance levels may be seen ahead. While moving upside, the price may hit a resistance level near the 106.65, which is the immediate horizontal support line looking at the chart, which may also be called as the high of May 7, 2020. Now, another resistance level you'll find will be around the 107.03, which is a 23.6 Fibonacci level resistance. And then you'll come across the 107.62 level, which is the upper trend line arm, which may prevent the price from increasing above this level, as you see in the chart. Now, on the downside, and there's an immediate support level which can be noted on the 105.69, which is the horizontal support zone. There's another support level may hit the price around the 105.36, which is the lower trend line arm ahead of the 105 psychological number. Now, the technical bias is expected to remain bearish as long as the 107.03, which is the major resistance level, remains intact.
Now, the US gross domestic product annualized news. The US Bureau of Economic Analysis is scheduled to release the news concerning the US GDP annualized reading. According to the average forecast of economists, the US GDP annualized figure registered negative 32.5% reading in the second quarter as compared to negative 32.9% reading during the quarter before. The GDP stats reflects the monetary worth of goods and services being produced within the country over a given time frame. The GDP annualized is considered as an important economic indicator since it reveals information about the pace on which the country's economy expands or contracts. Generally speaking, a high reading suggests the bullish market for the Usd Jpy and vice versa.
Now, in conclusion, considering the microeconomic outlook of the pair, selling the USD JPY around the current levels may be a good approach. However, you may also consider buying the USD JPY to gain benefits in the short-term trading.
And now for the gold technical analysis. The gold plunged on Wednesday, decreasing the price of the yellow metal to less than $1,950 per ounce, ahead of the release of initial jobless claims news. The technical bias remained bullish since the price of the precious metal marked a higher high in the recent upside move.
Now, gold is being traded around the 1916 an ounce at the moment. The price of this valuable metal may hit a few support levels, such as the following. You're looking at the chart. At support 1, you'll find the 1898, which is the lower trend line arm. At support 2, you'll find the 1874, which is the 38.2 Fibonacci level. And finally, the third support you'll find is the $1813, which is the major horizontal support line. Now, should the price fall below this level, it may break through the 1813, which is the key horizontal support, incurring more losses. Now, on the upside, the gold price may hit a few resistance levels. These levels you'll find at resistance 1 being the 1951, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci level. At resistance 2, you'll find the 1980 horizontal support level. And at resistance 3 is the magical psychological number of 2000 even. Now, the technical bias is expected to remain bullish as long as the 1800 support zone remains intact.
Now, the US initial jobless claims news. The U.S. Department of Labor is set to release the stats concerning the U.S. initial jobless claims on Thursday. According to economists' estimated reading, the U.S. initial jobless claims registered the reading of 1,000K reading during the week ending on August 21st, as compared to the 1,106K reading during the week before. The U.S. jobless claims tell us about the strength of the labor market and are considered as one of the key economic indicators. Generally speaking, a high reading is seen as bullish for the gold and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, considering again the microeconomic outlook for gold, buying this metal around the current levels may work out well in the short to medium term trading. And keep in mind, as always, bet with your head, not with your heart, and follow strict money and risk management techniques. That's it for this analysis for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.